Oh mga kapatid, dito na naman ako. Here again. And we have this steak. I believe this is a red back ribeye. Huwag na po may talong. Look at that. See? Yeah. Ito ko sa pinsan ni Inday. Ito yung background nila. At nandito sila. Hi! Happy 4th of July!
Happy 4th!
Right. Happy 4th of July! Kailangan siya bantayan kay masiga man ni nagtawag nga ribeye. Yeah. Alright, see you next guys.
Ayaw ko ng well. Ayaw ko ng ganyan. Medium ano. Ayaw ko ng medium well. Medium
rare man eh.
ayaw ko ng medium rare. Medium well lang sa amin.
Well done man.
Medium well.
Medium well.
Sarap.
Oh yeah. Bumo kayo. Yeah. So guys. Ito, 120 lang.
My God, yung red meat.
I know.
Your Kuya's Tioy.
We need red wine.
You need red wine.
Approve.
Approve.
Approve na yung Master Chef.
Prob.
Approve ni Master Chef. Ayoko ng...
Pagkalami.
Dami ay. So, juicy siya ba? Mag-well done. Kapit ang dalit naman. Hey to you, yeah! Happy July!
Happy 4th of July!
Alright. Okay, let's eat. Eat na.
Prepare.
Eat.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, sorry, Dad.
Magbabali ang batito pala. Nasiti na.
Balik mo sa gate.
Kasi may trabaho.
Back to
Okay.
work. Back to work.
Okay, guys. Nagkaroon din
Ang among kasera. Ang kasera ni Bali.
Kinitalong ikan ni sa garden. Yan ko yung mais, kantalong. Okay. Oh, sige na. Busy may karoon kay 4th of July mo kayo. Nag-celebrate ko me. Ayan, mo na yung master cook. Hi, cook! Wow, sabaw. Sabaw.
Sabaw. Sige, magbumatag sabaw.
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 Ilaw.
Ikaw day, sabaw.
See you next.